Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tomi and I'm here with another interesting video. If you're just coming across this channel for the very first time, click that red subscription button on your screen and join the family. So for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to do or get a natural looking brows with just your eye pencil. So stay tuned and keep watching till the very end. You need your eyebrow to be trimmed, and then you need your eyebrow brush and a well sharpened eye pencil. So you're going to take your loose powder or finished powder and put it on your eyebrow and dust it off, and then you brush your eyebrow in an upward direction, and then you use your sharp eye pencil to draw an upward strokes on your eyebrow to make it look natural. Make sure that the strokes are light, they are not too thick, so that your eyebrow can look natural and not look too heavy. Once you're done, you take your eyebrow brush and brush your eyebrow downwards, and then you take your sharpened eye pencil and draw downward strokes the same way you did for the upward strokes. You're going to do it in downward strokes. Now you're going to make sure it's light and not too heavy, and you're going to make sure it's as natural as possible. Once you're done, you use your eyebrow brush and brush your eyebrow lightly, not too much. Don't do anyhow in your eyebrow now, or it will just scatter. So once you do it like this, you do that for your second brows and you are good to go to any event you want to go to. You don't need concealer or any foundation or anything. I'm so happy that I'm able to show you guys how to do this. This is the before and that's the after. So thank you guys for watching. Bye for now. See you in my next video. But before you go, click that red subscription button on your screen and join the family, and also comment, share and like this video. Bye. Thank you.